ship. We've requested to be delayed, the arrival to be delayed, and the ship is currently off the coast, and currently that ship is now being delayed to provide ample opportunity for the CDC, partnership with Coast Guard and with state health officials to conduct tests, because we have a number of passengers and crew members that have developed symptoms on this cruise ship. It's a Grand Princess cruise ship.
This death represents the first death in the state of California from COVID-19 and marks a tragic milestone for our community.